Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Welcome to Study with Nova. Hello alamat ik Nova and welcome to Study with Nova. So this is like I said before that we want to writing several names, so not only the consist is one name, so we have like guess that is this consists just only one name. So this question, write a while loop that prompt user for their name and then collect all the names that are entered and then write this name to a file called quizbooks.txt. Yes, we have like a quizbook.txt, and then we want to save all of the information, all of the your name information we can input and then flow to quizbook.txt actually, and then make sure each entry appears on a new line in the file. So here as from path here import path, and then we just want to make a list. The first one I just want to make a list with this maybe here, just a list, and then collect all the names that are entered and write. Okay, so path is to your path quizbook book.txt here. Not comma but .txt. Okay, guys, while true here, and then I wanna maybe content is like input what is your name here, and then okay, type quit to exit. Okay, if content with then break, if not here, then we add from the content here, we add from the guest list here, we add the content. Okay, but here we add what do you mean, we have like a list in here. If I just wanna make like the code is like here like this, we cannot add because the code wants to the output is like not in the list, but must in the string. That's why I must make one string, maybe like this string, and then using for every content in this here, and then string is plus add for the content. So you add here, you add to the string here, and then you add that white text for the string here. Let's try, is it working or not? What is your name? Oh, wait. That's it. I wanna try again. Is it Leono? If I add quit here, and then yep, we will quit. But let's open quizbook.txt here. Yes, but our name is like not n. Yeah, there are no new line here, so I wanna change here f content here with slash n and here forget here. Is it true? Let's try. Wait, is Facebook right? Okay, that's right. So the question is right because I add the line here, not this in the list. So wanna say content dot input it's okay if I just wanna add title here or here, just only here the title. But no. No. Let's try. I wanna add. Okay, it's in. Okay, so I just add the title here because the name, and then yeah, the output is will be okay. So this working. Make sure each entry appears on a new line in the title. So you just add here /n to make a new line. If you don't add the new n, the name is will be stretched to the right. So yeah, so make sure that you have add to straight n. Okay, actually, why we have like a here? It's like we must make a string because somehow if I don't want, I wanna just only make a list here, and then this is the list, right? This is only the list part. This one is 2 list, 3 list, 4, and etc. And if I just wanna pad that right things here for the list here for the guest list, just only for the guest list, and then the Python will be error because this the path is wanna writing is on the string, and because we are make string here, not in the list. So that's why if we add here this list and then we change here to the guest list, yeah, it's not built for working. So make sure that you add to the string to just add all the information you input, the name of this quest list to your questbook.txt, and then yeah, you just write text and then you just get the whole information. Okay, that's all. Let's add to your Github. Okay, done. Let's try another questions. Bye.